Good morning. Today we are going to discuss Module 1 B part, where exactly it will be talking about level of management. So far we have studied management. Management is a art, science, profession, functions, and also we have studied what are the resources, nature and characteristics of the management. These nature and characteristics required by the manager who is working in the office, it may be a type of any levels. These levels, he may be a working on top, middle or low level managers. But we should know what are these levels are. A person who is working in the office, he is having the positions based on his qualification, based on his knowledge, domain, area of business area, plus whatever experience he earned so far. So that is the reason people they talk why the IAS officers, bureaucrats, they switch over to any organizations, any type of organizations, but they suit to it, and they are working efficiently, very good administrative work. Okay, so this also shows how exactly it will be. Today we are going to discuss. There are three levels as shown is in diagram: top level, middle level, low levels. These levels are people who are having skill, and skills persons are known as managers. These people are having different types of skills which is required for day to day, or they are working in the office for scheduling and planning. So top one management, they are generally top and executive level. This is known as executive level, top level. Here generally board of directors of the company, chairman, president, vice president, actually the man who coordinate all specialties and make policies for company as a whole, who are making the strategies, policies, objective, long term objective, what are moreover they are only having the visions, mission, etc. of the company. Whereas level 2, which is management, middle level, general managers, production manager in the manufacturing company, plant manager who is operating the plant, personal manager. That was initially when we were talking about in 90s, middle of the 90s, people were not their management and other things, they were talking about personal manager. And that was the very big post generally. He was looking after our facilities and even labors and other things, admin work, that was known as personal manager. Project manager, who is looking after the projects, whatever it project, maybe hardware, software, whatever it is. Marketing manager, who is in charge of the, okay, how exactly to be done marketing, and he is directing his team, salesmen, sales executives, etc. Sales manager of organization and department head of the institution university. Also, they are the people in the colleges and universities who are the head of the department, that are also same as middle level people and university. So indirectly we can say, directly also, a person who interact with the top level and taking their policies and strategies and get executed these policy, strategy and plans by the low level persons. Low level persons is nothing but their first line or supervisory level. Generally, they are foreman or supervisor who is looking after entire unit. Okay. In the low level management group who guide and lead the people, men or women, into action to achieve short term goals, day to day basis, shift wise, weekly wise, or monthly wise, or propose production. So these are the people who is known as first line manager, and they are taking work from the non-skilled people like labor and labor and workers. That is really required some of knowledge of you can say of technical, but very little knowledge of planning. As they are having top level people, they are having the skill of planning and strategy and etc. So the things, people who are working for the companies in the top level or middle level and lower level, exactly I tell you, the top level people, they are the people who are, I can say that mostly they are the only people who make entire execution of the plans of the institution and organizations, and this all depends their how exactly they are having experience, how they are working, how they are coordinating, how they are directing the middle level entire team, and they are sending the message to the entire department or the organizations that here somebody is there who take care about you. And that is the things. I tell you one story. When Infosys chairman Nayan Murthy, he was retired from the CEO post. As a chairman he was working before. When he retired, he has seen that there are 3 to 4 people who are appointed in place of him. Even then Infosys was not working very well, and their positions and their reputations, popularity was going down. He forced to come back in very so aged person. He forced to come back. As soon as he came again, taken over the in charge CEO chairman, first thing he has done, he boosted the morale of the executives and the employees. Immediately he has given the hike and promotions, and he has given the increment in the salary. The very first thing, what it says, if the employees are happy, everything is okay. If employees are not working from the heart, definitely their efficient level, it will go down, and their outcome will not be that much as supposed to be. So that the things are depend entire things on top level management. Generally they are making the people such a way that the people work automatically, self motivated, and they work for the organizations. So they are the one who making middle level people getting ready to move the vertical after their retirement into that position. So that is the things we have to guide our low level people also. So they are making policies to help the people, to educate them, everything. So they are the levels which is been having different roles and responsibilities, and they are the only people who really backbone of the companies, organizations, who take care entire operation of the unit or organization or institutions, etc. Thank you very much. Today it is end.